Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about three topics. First one, natural resources and management. Second one, water conservation and rainwater harvesting. And the third one, waste management. Myself, CADET Selin A J, NCC St. Joseph College, Autonomous, Irinjalakuda, 7 Kerala Girls Battalion, Thrissur, Ernakulam Group, Kerala and Lakshadweep Directorate. So, let's move on to the first topic, natural resources conservation and management. Types of natural resources. Generally, we can classify resources into two. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Classification of resources based on origin. First one biotic and second one abiotic. Biotic includes producers, consumers and decomposers. Abiotic includes heat, light, water, wind, soil, rocks, organic matter, etc. Classification of resources based on their stage of development. Potential resources, actual resources, reserve resources, and stock resources. The major effects of unrestricted use of natural resources are ozone depletion, soil erosion, acid rain, and global warming. Global warming. Global warming is the increase of Earth's average surface temperature due to effect of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide emissions from burning fossil fuels or from deforestation, which trap heat that would otherwise escape from Earth. This is a type of greenhouse effect. The temperature of Earth's surface is maintained by carbon dioxide. But if this natural CO2 level increases, it would raise temperature by 5 degree to 6 degree, making survival of life in Earth difficult. The global warming due to CO2 and greenhouse gases will have following effects. Let's look. Reduction yield of food crops, rise in level of sea, increased and unpredictable rainfall. What is greenhouse? Greenhouse effect is the gradual warming of Earth's atmosphere. This is due to accumulation of atmosphere, carbon dioxide and other gases. We are disrupting the balance of nature with industrial emission. Scientists all over the world are worried about the greenhouse effect and global warming may be the result. Methods of management and conservation of natural resources. Recycling, water harvesting, afforestation, proper waste management, greater use of renewable resources, avoid wastage, increasing energy efficiency, monitoring and control. Role of the NCC Cadet towards environment. NCC cadets are well organized to carry out environmental awareness campaign, which is the need of the hour. NCC cadets can conduct tree plantation drives in order to curb the menace of environmental degradation. They should be the motivating and guiding force to friends and family members. As responsible citizens, everyone should plant trees and not cut them. Water conservation and proper disposal of the waste also leads to the safeguarding of the waste, also leads to the safeguarding of the environment. Therefore, it should be the duty of every NCC cadet to educate others towards this grave problem. Water conservation and rainwater harvesting. Ways to conserve water indoors. Ensure that there are no leaks in your house, in the pipelines, taps and toilets. Use water efficient flushes and if possible, toilets with dual flushing systems, close taps while brushing your teeth, shaving, or soaping your face. Use water from washing of clothes for cleaning floors. Use appropriate amount of detergent for washing clothes. Close the shower tap whilst soaping your body. When washing dishes by hand, don't let the water run while rinsing. Monitor your water bill for unusually high use. Your bill and water meter are tools that can help you discover leaks. Water your lawn and garden in the morning or evening when temperatures are cooler to minimize evaporation. Types of rainwater harvesting. There are a number of ways to harvest rainwater, ranging from very simple to the complex industry systems. Generally, rainwater is either harvested from the ground or from the roof. The rate at which water can be collected from either system is dependent on the planned area of the system, its efficiency, and the intensity of rainfall. Ground catchment system, roof catchment systems, and subsurface dike. Groundwater recharge. Rainwater may also be used to recharge groundwater where the runoff on the ground is collected and allowed to be absorbed, adding to the groundwater. In India, this includes bawdis and johads or ponds which collect the runoff from small streams in a wide area. In India, reservoirs called tankas were used to store water. Typically, they were shallow with mud walls. Ancient tankas still exist in some places. Waste management. Let's look out the types of waste. First one, solid waste, then liquid waste, radioactive waste, municipal solid waste, hospital or biomedical store, e-waste, and hazardous waste. What steps will you take as an individual for contributing towards waste management in your neighborhood? Segregation of household waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Reduce use of plastic bags and replace with paper or jute or cloth bags. Recyclable waste such as paper, glass, cloth, etc. could be segregated and disposed of accordingly. Keep the surroundings of your house and around the house clean. Do not dump waste just outside the house on the road. Colonies could start vermicomposting and natural composting. What is waste for you is wealth for somebody else. There has been a tradition in India of finding an innovative use for everything: tires, battery cases, plastic bins, and whatnot. Think of reuse of the thing you would like to discard. Thank you.